considering na halos wala ka pang 1 year or it's barely 1 year, di ba, na sa solo career mo. Last year, you had a successful TV series, tapos movie, and then meron kang endorsement, and here you are, first quarter of the year, may bagong endorsement ka na naman. And you just turned 24 recently. So, with this happening to you, ano ang pakiramdam? Ano ang mga future plans mo pa? Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng dating sa'yo. Ng lahat.
I'd like to think na parang ito yung fruits ng lahat ng pinaghirapan ko before. And like you said po, tita, I just turned 24. Sometimes I feel like I'm too late to the game. Kasi marami pong mas bata sa akin, mas talented, and mas kilala. But I keep reminding myself na kung nasan po ako ngayon, pangarap ko lang noon. And I'm so grateful for that. As for my future plans naman po, I still want to continue working with Viva. I really love Viva. Viva is my home. And I want to keep doing my best. I want to hone more of my skills kasi feeling ko po hindi pa siya on par with the professionals talaga. Like yung mga kilalang veterano po. Gusto, yun po yung goal ko. Gusto ko pong gumaling talaga. And I also want to keep making more products with Vibi, with Jellavi by Vibi. This name Jellavi is actually a combination of the phrase Angela, my name, and the phrase C'est la vie, which means that's life. And I want to keep creating things like this na ako mismo involved po. Yan po.
Gaano ka ka-involved?
I chose the scents. I chose the names of the scents. I also chose the name for the brand, the hair and body mist brand, which is Jellavi.
Pating color?
Yes po.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng color. Actually, before you came, pinag-usapan namin na ang ganda-ganda ng packaging. Di ba? Napaka-cool. Napaka-cool ng dating, lalo na ngayong summer. Oo. Why those colors? Why the combination of the colors?
Because they're very bright and pastel. It's perfect for summer and it's also eye-catching. Para sa target po naming audience, which is yung mga preteens to teens. Pero it's for all ages and for all genders naman po. I think these are just the colors that feel more like me. Yun po.
Lastly, I know this is out of the question sa sinasabi ni Bibbs. How are you and Robin? Although kahit hindi kayo magsalita, actions speak louder than words sa inyong dalawa. Kumusta na kayong dalawa? Ano ng pangalan ng birthday gift niya sa iyo? Napaka-special.
We're okay naman po. We've been chatting just a few minutes ago. Although he's working and I'm working, we always make sure to check up on each other. And yung name po ng baby corgi is Tofi.
Ano?
Tofi. Tofi po.
Sino ang
Ako po nagpangalan.
So, ikaw ang nagpangalan?
Opo.
Okay, pati yung birthday nung puppy?
October 8, 2025. Ay, yeah, opo.
Oo. So, almost 1 year old na nung binigay sa'yo. Ay, hindi.
4 months.
4 months pa lang,
Opo,
sorry.
4 months.
4 months pa lang. Okay, so, katabi mo siyang matulog.
Yes po, sometimes katabi po ni Papa pag hindi ako nakaka-uwi agad.
I see. Wow. Anong pakiramdam? Kasi I suppose this is the very first time na naka-receive ka ng ganong gift para sa'yo. Lalo na coming from Robin.
Ako naman po kasi, hindi ko po in-expect na bibigay niya talaga. Kasi nagda-drop na siya ng hints noon. Kunyari, nag-uusap kami, tapos may makita akong cat. Ang cute ng cat. Sabi niya, mas mahilig ka ba sa cat kaysa sa dog? Tapos parang alam kong malapit na birthday ko. Sabi ko, wag mo ako riregaluhan ng aso, wag ha. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, hindi kita riregaluhan, no? Ba't mo naman iniisip yan? So the moment that he gave it to me, I was like, ang kulit! Pero at the same time, I felt so happy kasi somebody went through the trouble of going to Subic, as far as Subic, to go get the dog. Tapos bumalik sa Manila to give me the dog on my birthday. So, it's very touching. Kaya, very happy po ako dun sa gift na corgi. And I really love Tofi. Ang cute-cute niya po. Ang bilis niya lumaki.
Alagang-alaga mo.
Yes po.
Anyway, again, congratulations sa napakagandang takbo ng career mo. Keep it up.
Thank you so much.
At huwag ka sanang magbabago. Thank you.
Yes po,
Okay.
yes po.
Great questions come from Miss Esther. Maraming